Silicon Valley billionaires are pouring millions into labs that promise to hack death. But how close are we really to immortality, from gene editing to AI-powered longevity? This is the science that could let humans live to 150. And while it sounds like sci-fi, the future is already here. Let's dive into the 10 breakthroughs that could rewrite what it means to be human, and the dark truths no one's talking about. Senolytics, zombie cell assassins. Your body is filled with zombie cells, old, malfunctioning cells that refuse to die. They spew toxins, inflame your organs, and accelerate aging. But scientists have created a new class of drugs called senolytics that hunt down and eliminate these cells. In 2023, a Mayo Clinic trial showed senolytics reversed wrinkles in mice and even healed damaged heart tissue. Human trials are underway. And Silicon Valley elites are already paying $10,000 per dose at underground clinics. But here's the catch. Killing zombie cells might also weaken your immune system, leaving you vulnerable to infections. NAD boosters, cellular energy rebooting. Imagine if you could recharge your cells like a smartphone. That's the promise of NAD plus boosters, molecules that restore your body's energy factories. NAD plus levels drop by 50% by age 50, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and disease. Supplements like NMN and NR claim to reverse this, and billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are rumored to take them daily. A Harvard study found NMN boosted endurance in aging mice by 80%. But human results are mixed. Worse, unregulated NAD plus products flood Amazon, with some containing dangerous impurities. CRISPR-2, gene editing on steroids. CRISPR gene editing made headlines for curing sickle cell anemia, but CRISPR-2 is far more radical. Scientists can now edit genes with pinpoint accuracy, not just to fix mutations, but to upgrade DNA. Labs are testing this to eliminate Alzheimer's risk genes, turbocharge muscle growth, and even extend lifespan. In 2022, a biohacker injected himself with DIY CRISPR to try to cure his HIV, and ended up in the ER with organ failure. The question isn't if we'll edit genes for longevity, but who gets to decide which traits are upgraded. Neuralink-style brain chips, merging man and machine. Elon Musk's Neuralink wants to plug microchips into your brain, letting you control devices with your thoughts, or even download skills like in the Matrix. Early trials helped paralyzed patients type with their minds, but the real goal is longevity. Brain chips could monitor neurons for signs of dementia, or stimulate regions to delay aging. Sounds amazing, until you realize hackers could hijack your thoughts, or corporations could sell your brain data. 3D printed organs, spare parts for humans. Imagine needing a new heart and printing one in a lab. Companies like United Therapeutics are using 3D bioprinters to create organs layer by layer, with living cells. In 2023, they printed a functional lung for a pig, and human trials are set for 2025. But here's the problem. A printed heart costs $500,000, making it a toy for the ultra-rich. And what happens when your printed liver fails? Do you sue the company? Or just print a new one? Nanobot cleaners, tiny doctors in your blood. Nanobots are robots smaller than a human cell, programmed to swim through your bloodstream, destroying plaque in arteries, zapping cancer cells, and repairing DNA. In 2021, researchers at MIT used nanobots to clear blood clots in mice, with zero side effects, but critics warn these bots could malfunction, turning into tiny assassins. Imagine a hacker reprogramming them to attack healthy cells, or governments using them for surveillance. Digital twins, your virtual clone. A digital twin is a virtual replica of you, built using data from wearables, DNA tests, and medical scans. It predicts diseases years before symptoms, tests treatments in seconds, and even simulates how you'd age on different diets. Hospitals in Norway already use digital twins to plan surgeries, but the real goal is immortality. By 2040, your twin could outlive you, constantly learning and adapting, so doctors can download fixes into your body. But who owns your twin, tech companies or you? AI longevity algorithms, your personal immortality coach. AI is crunching millions of health records to crack the code of aging. Startups like In Silico Medicine use AI to design drugs that target aging itself, with one candidate in human trials. Other apps analyze your sleep, diet, and genes, then tell you exactly how to live longer. But what if the AI gets it wrong? In 2022, a faulty algorithm told users to fast for 72 hours, sending 3 to the hospital. Cryonics, freezing death itself. Cryonics is the ultimate gamble. Freeze your body at -196 degrees C and hope future tech can revive you. Companies like Alker have 200 patients on ice, including PayPal's Peter Thiel. But even if revival works, you'd wake up in a world where everyone you loved is dead. And the cost, $200,000 for full body freezing, plus annual fees. For now, it's a billionaire's hobby. But what if governments start freezing soldiers? Or criminals? Age-reversal viruses, the fountain of youth. Scientists are editing viruses to deliver anti-aging genes into your cells. In 2023, Harvard researchers used a modified herpes virus to reverse aging in mice, making their fur regrow and organs rejuvenate. Human trials start in 2025, but messing with viruses is risky. One mutation could turn a youth virus into a deadly pandemic. And who gets to decide who's young again? The dark side of immortality. The rich will live forever. These treatments could cost millions, creating an unkillable elite while the poor die at 80. Overpopulation. If nobody dies, how do we feed 10 billion people? Wars over water, food, and air could erupt. Existential boredom. Would you want to live 150 years, watching everyone you love die? Divorce rates could skyrocket, and mental health collapse. So, would you take an immortality pill? Vote yes or no in the comments. Want to dive deeper? Check out our video AI versus Doctors, Who Will Win the Future of Diagnosis, to see how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare. At UDH, we're here to help you stay ahead of the curve, because the future of health isn't just coming, it's already here. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep thriving with universal digital health.